Hello, Tez Demons. I've got episode number 5 of 3 underground artists to keep an eye out for on the Tezos blockchain. This episode is very dear to me because these artists and these projects that I'm going to be showing you guys are things that I am a big fan of. Like, I just love the art. And it might be a little bit subjective, and this might not be for everybody, but I think these all kind of fold under a similar niche, this type of work. And I'm a big fan of this type of stuff, so I want to just show you their work, talk about the artist a little bit, and yeah, put you guys on game. So let's get right on into it. Let's start off with Lucas414141_9. What a name, Lucas. What a freaking name. Nice gamer tag, bro. Add me on Xbox. EyeAm, period. Add me. All right, now that my coffee is kicking in, we can go over to his Twitter page. Here we have it. Let's check out his engagement and stuff. So we got this cool little Dracula piece. Now I'm pissed off, man. I could have bought this for one Tez. I wish I had it. I'm tracking his wallet though now, and I'm going to be keeping my eyes peeled on future work. But he's getting like 40 likes and 20 retweets on this. That's pretty good engagement as far as I'm concerned on Twitter. Let's see what else he's retweeting. Some decent stuff. I like it when people retweet a little bit less and they kind of focus more on building their own brand on Twitter. That's what I prefer to see, but this is cool. The good thing about seeing this is that you can tell he's or they are kind of closely they're knit in with the Tezos community. They're retweeting other people's work and showing that they do support people. Ooh, this is really cool. I'm gonna have to look into that later, and I do like this one too. So I'm gonna keep his Twitter open, but this is Lucas, guys. Go check him out. I'll put a link in the video description down below. And let's first go to a little bit of his work. I own this one. I think that's the only one I own right now because I just sold this bull, which I think is freaking badass too. But I wish I still had it now. But when I buy people's work, I like to try to resell it just to see if there are people buying stuff on the secondary, and if there are, then I'm far more likely to start buying their work more down the line, just because I know it's a little bit safer of an investment. But I like this guy for his artwork first, and then obviously there is the monetary value there as well, where you could make some profit, which is pretty dang dope. I like how he keeps the copies super low, like 10, 10, 10. Sure, he's got this one with 200, but keeps the copies low. That's good. These are collectibles, guys. Let's keep that in mind when we're creating NFTs. Some people just be fucking spewing shit out like crazy, and it's kind of annoying as a collector. If I like an artist and they just start fucking pumping shit out, it's like, damn, now anybody can get this, their hands on it. I want it to be a collectible. I want it to be scarce as a collector. All right, the next guy I want to show you guys is the next one, I guess, is this project. It's called BadApples, or at least that's the creator of it. Let's see. Yeah, it's called BadApples. That's the collection name. We can click here. Look at this. Total volume 471 Tez, guys. That's a lot for only 7 items with 10 copies each, or 15 copies each, sorry. Pretty fucking cool stuff. I watched people buy these. I was buying these for like 1 Tez, and now the artist is slowly increasing it, the mint price, as he should, because I've witnessed people purchase these for 30 Tez. So that's a flip of 1 Tez to 30. I think I sold one for 5 or 10 Tez, which is still a really good flip. 1 to 5 or 1 to 10, pretty dope. I used to own like half of these, and now I only got a couple of them, unfortunately, but I do have his OG number 1, which I will never sell. I just love the artwork. I absolutely love the artwork. I can just connect to it. I love how it's all kind of like in sync with each other. You can tell it's like one project. It's one solid thing. And the market is the market. And the market is, sorry, that sounds kind of stupid, but the market is telling us that this stuff is pretty awesome because you have people spending, 10, 15, 20, 30 ETH, or sorry, Tez on these NFTs. Let's just pop over to his Twitter real quick here. Andrew Lee, this is the guy that's running it, I guess. He's got an Instagram we could check out. I'm not going to check it out in this video, but yeah, he's not getting huge engagement. I think this guy is super underground. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure this is kind of the guy that owns the project and he gets another artist to draw this stuff. I haven't looked too deeply into it, but amazing work. What I love about this guy and what he's doing too is he's mainly showing his stuff, showcasing his stuff. I think he could tweet a little more. He's tweeting like every 5 days. I think it's a good idea to tweet once a day, try to give people value of some sort, talk about the Tezos community, do what you got to do, get involved. But he retweets quality shit. Like, he's not just retweeting everything like I see a lot of people do, but he's retweeting quality shit. There's a data beast. I want one of these so bad. I could be wrong, but I think this is a 1 of 1. No, I'm wrong. That's a blue background. Sorry, I'm tripping. Yeah, this guy retweets quality stuff. I like his Twitter page, and I can't wait to collect some more of his work. I'm pissed off I missed that one. I got drunk and was way too hungover and missed the drop, so I started crying. All right, moving on. Last artist I want to show you for the day is this artist. They, sorry, I forget their Twitter handle, and I want to just show you guys how I find their Twitter if it's not showing up on object.com. I click on one of their NFTs, I go over here to the object thing, I click on that number, and then once we're here, we got m.suksu. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but all right, so they still don't have a Twitter link here. That's fine. What I will do from there is copy the name, because oftentimes their name is the same on Twitter, and then I'll paste it on the search bar on Twitter, and here it is. There they are. So they have, what's the date today? 2 days ago, they started this little auction on Foundation, but this guy is, or this person is popping on I think Instagram or something like that. I swear they had a lot of followers somewhere, but they definitely have, like, that's a pretty good amount of followers compared to following. I like that ratio. But yeah, personally, I just really love the art. What I like about this person is that clearly people like the art before they were even making NFTs, which is a really cool thing to see, that they were able to build community before the NFT scene even started popping off. But yeah, I think this artist is really cool. I have sold some of their work for a profit already, which makes me want to buy more of their work and continue supporting them. And there's certain pieces that I have of theirs that I don't plan on selling unless, you know, I get ridiculous offers for them. But that's this episode, guys. 3 different artists that I think are worthy of checking out. Like I said at the beginning of the video, it's a little bit subjective because they do resonate with me. And now for the end of the video, some very selfish promo right here. All right, this is my project, guys. If you do like it, maybe collect a piece if you could. That'd be sick. I'd really appreciate it. But other than that, if you guys got any questions about NFTs, I'm your guy. You can hit me up on Twitter. Mainly I focus on Tezos type NFTs for now. I do have some Ethereum ones, but I'm kind of getting out of the ETH game for now. I'm just having way too much fun on Tezos, supporting a ton of artists and shit. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. This was I Am the Masked Man. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.